Hi, I'm Bill Walker, and I'm going to show you how to measure shutters. You will need a quality measuring tape and a pencil. Always measure to the nearest eighth inch. The first step is to measure the width. Take 3 measurements. Measure the top. Now measure the bottom. Then measure the middle of the window. Record the smallest of the 3 measurements. Next, measure the height. Again, take 3 measurements. Measure the right. Now measure the center. Then measure the left. Record the smallest of the 3 measurements. The next step is to measure the diagonal measurements. This is to determine the squareness of the window. If the diagonal measurement difference is greater than a ½ inch, you will need to consider using an outside mount frame system. And that is how to measure shutters.